Welcome student. Myself Rahul Singh Maurya, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in MLB Textile and Engineering College. Today in this video, we will study second part of comparators, and under this category of comparators, we will study electrical comparators. In previous video, we studied pneumatic comparators. Today we are going to start electrical comparator. An electrical comparators is same as that of pneumatic comparators, where we compare the surfaces. In electrical comparators, we use electrical signal to compare the surfaces and to check the property of the surfaces. An electrical comparator consists of a base, a stand, power unit, measuring unit, indication unit, and amplification unit. In this comparator, the measuring contact moment is changed into an electrical signal, and then this signal is recorded by a device that can be adjusted in the term of plunger moment. For this, an AC Wheatstone bridge circuit including a galvanometer is used. This electric comparator comprises of tough stylus, an iron armature that breaks against the tungsten, and spring and W1. If the armature is located the coils W1 and W, then the inductance of the coil is equal. The Wheatstone bridge is stable and form the datum line. Here is the construction of the electrical comparators. An electrical comparator consists of the following three major parts, such as transducer, display device as meter, amplifier. Transducer is an iron armature which is provided in between two coils held by a leaf spring at one end. The other end is supported against a plunger. The two coils act as two arms of an AC alternate current Wheatstone bridge circuit. Amplifier. The amplifier is nothing but a device which amplifies the given input signal frequency into magnified output. Display device or meter. The amplified input signal is displayed on some terminal stage instruments. Here the terminal instrument is a meter. Working principle of electrical comparator. If the armature is centrally located between the coils, the inductance of both coils will be equal but in opposite direction with the sign change. Due to this, the bridge circuit of AC Wheatstone bridge is balanced. Therefore, the meter will read zero value, but practically it is not possible. In real case, the armature may be lifted up or lowered down by the plunger during the measurement. This would upset the balance of the Wheatstone bridge circuit during the measurement. Due to this effect, the change in current or potential will be induced correspondingly. On that time, the meter will indicate some value as displacement. These indicated value may be either for larger or smaller components. As this induced current is too small, it should be suitably amplified before being displayed in the meter. So, from the discussed slide, we concluded that the working of electrical comparator is somehow same that of pneumatic comparators. In pneumatic comparators, we use air pressure difference to calculate or evaluate the surface or to compare the surface, and in electrical comparators we use plunger, armature and electrical signal to compare the surface. Thank you.